Tired of scattered notes, lost ideas, and struggling to remember key details? Imagine a single dynamic digital notebook where all your thoughts, documents, and even audio recordings are perfectly organized and instantly searchable. Well, good news, that's exactly what OneNote can do for you. In this tutorial, we'll explore OneNote's structure, diverse capture methods, how to enhance notes with multimedia, and unlock advanced features for ultimate productivity. Get ready to transform your note-taking. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, open up OneNote on your computer or device. Now before we start clicking around, it helps to understand how OneNote is organized. It mimics a physical 3-ring binder, which makes keeping your thoughts really tidy. You have notebooks, which are your broadest categories, like university courses or work projects. Then inside those, you have sections. Think of these as the tabs in your binder for grouping related notes, like meeting notes or History 101. And finally, within each section, you have individual pages where you actually jot everything down. As some folks like SnuggleNote on TikTok point out, this structure really helps keep everything in its right place. Now that we understand the basic layout, let's actually create one. To make a new notebook, just head to File, then New, and then Notebook. Give it a clear name that represents its purpose, like Personal Ideas or Summer Project, and then click Create. With your notebook ready, the next layer of organization is Sections. To create a new section, you can either right-click on your new notebook's name and select New Section, or just click the small plus button next to your existing section tabs. Name it something useful, like brainstorming or research. OneNote Centerparch, and inside those sections, we have our individual pages. To add a new page, just click the Add Page button on the right-hand side of the screen. Give your page a title, and you're ready to start filling it up. Now that we've got our structure, let's get to the fun part, actually taking notes. Unlike rigid word processors, OneNote lets you click anywhere on a page and just start typing. It's incredibly flexible. Just click, start typing, and watch your thoughts appear. But typing isn't the only way to get your thoughts down. If you're a visual thinker or just prefer the feel of a pen, head over to the Draw tab. You can select a pen or highlighter and use your finger or a stylus to write or sketch directly on the screen. It's perfect for diagrams or quick annotations. What if you prefer to speak your notes? OneNote's got you covered. On the Home tab, you'll find the Dictate button. Click it, and OneNote will type out exactly what you speak, saving you time and effort. Just make sure to speak clearly. Sometimes an idea hits you fast, and you don't have time to navigate all this. For those fleeting thoughts, you can quickly jot down a quick note by pressing Windows+N on your keyboard. It'll open a small window where you can capture that idea without opening your main notebook. Beyond just text and ink, OneNote is fantastic for bringing in all kinds of information. Under the Insert tab, you can add all sorts of files, like PDFs, Word documents, or spreadsheets. The really cool thing is you can even insert them as printouts, which displays the document's pages right within your notes, so everything's in one place. And speaking of visuals, easily adding pictures is a game changer. Also on the Insert tab, you can choose pictures to add photos of whiteboards, diagrams, or even physical book pages right into your notebook. What about something you see online that you want to save? You can grab snippets of web pages using screen clippings. Just press Windows plus Shift plus S to take a screenshot, and then paste it directly into your notes. Super handy for research. Now, let's talk about some of the really smart tools OneNote has. If you've handwritten notes on a tablet, OneNote can convert that ink into clean typed text. Just go to the Draw tab, select your handwriting, and click Ink to Text. This feature and others like it that Microsoft Support highlights really show OneNote's power to make your notes more useful and searchable. And for lectures or meetings, OneNote offers something truly unique. Also under the Insert tab, you can click audio or video to record what's happening. The magic? As you play back the recording, OneNote actually highlights the exact notes you were typing when that audio was recorded. It's fantastic for reviewing. Finally, to save you time and keep things consistent, OneNote offers page templates. Instead of starting from scratch every time, go to Insert, then Page Templates, and pick from pre-formatted layouts for things like meeting notes, to-do lists, or project plans. So there you have it. OneNote truly transforms your note-taking, moving you from scattered, inflexible pages to a unified, searchable, and infinitely expandable digital notebook. It's all about making your life easier and your information more accessible. Give it a try, play around with these features, and I think you'll be amazed at how organized you become. Happy note-taking!